Please subscribe, and you can download this code from description below. In Python, you can enable debugging using the d or debug command line option when running a script. If you want to check whether the debug option is set from within your script, you can do so using the sys module. This tutorial will guide you through the process of checking if the debug option is set within your Python script. Before proceeding, ensure that you have Python installed on your system. This tutorial applies to Python 3. You will need to use the sys module to access command line arguments and check for the presence of the debug option. Import it at the beginning of your script. You can check for the debug option by examining the command line arguments. The sys.argv list contains all the arguments passed to your script, including the script's name as the first element. The d or debug option, if set, will appear as an argument in this list. Here's a code snippet to check for the debug option. In this code, we define a function is_debug_set, that checks if either d or debug is present in the sys.argv list. If either of these options is found, the function returns true, indicating that debug mode is enabled. Otherwise, it returns false. Save your script with a .py extension and run it from the command line. For example, if your script is named my_script.py, you can test it as follows. To enable the debug option, run your script with the d or debug option. Your script will then print the appropriate message, indicating whether the debug mode is enabled or not. You've now learned how to check if the Python debug option is set from within a script. By using the sys module and inspecting the command line arguments, you can determine whether the debug mode is active, allowing you to adjust your script's behavior accordingly. This can be particularly useful for debugging and troubleshooting during development. ChatGPT